Today, we're learning the one line dance by Omarion. Now, this is fresh, so get ready for it, all right? I'm gonna break it up into 3 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. Let me turn around here. My left is your left, and my right is your... Exactly, all right? So the first thing we're gonna do is start on the right leg. First section here, you're gonna go onto your heel, heel, then flat, then left leg, heel, then flat. And that timing is gonna go like this. 1 and 2 and. Say it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and. Good. So after you go right foot, left foot, you're gonna step out with the right foot and you're gonna rock your body forward, back, down. So the motion goes like this. Forward, back, forward. And you're gonna have a little rock here. Boom, cat, cat. If you see me from the front, I'm just rocking like this. Boom, tap, tap. 7, 8, boom, tap, tap. Okay? So we finish after the heel taps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you're just rocking with that, vibing with it however you want, okay? 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2 and up, back, down. Good, and it's in the hips too. Boom, cap, cap. 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Now from here, we're gonna do a ball change. We're gonna go right, left, step, left, right, step. Okay? So once again, you're going right, left, step, left, right, step. And you just lean towards the way you're going. So when you're going to your right, lean to your right, lean to your left. Hey, okay? Let's put all of section 1 together, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yes? One more time, a little bit faster, and then we move on. 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, naturally when I'm doing the ball change, I'm just gonna face the front here so you can see, I like to throw the hands, boom, boom. Or you could throw, clap, throw, clap. I see them doing different vibes, but keep the steps neutral, okay? So, that's section 1. Moving on to section 2. So after you finished here, boom, cat, boom, cat. Section 2 is gonna start like this. You're gonna go heel, heel, right, left. So it's gonna start heel, heel, flat, flat. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and. Okay, that count is 1 and 2 and. Then we open up our legs to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, faster, go. What, boom, ka. Yeah? All right? So after that part now, you're gonna step with your right leg forward. You're gonna go step right, tap, left. So it's gonna go like this. 1 and 2, 7, 8, boom, cat, cat. 7, 8, right, left, stop. Cool? Then I'm gonna step back with the right leg to tap here. And I'm gonna do a little cha-cha step. Right, left, right. Yes, right now your back will be facing me. Let's do it one more time to make sure we got it, okay? So we said from here, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and cha-cha step. Yes, that cha-cha step is gonna go right, tap, right, left, right. Yes, and I'm turning towards my right shoulder. Again, that cha-cha step, right, tap, right, left, right. Good. The little taps are just like the vibe in between. Boom, tap, step, step, step. Stop there for section 2, okay? One more time, section 2, then we put section 1 and 2 together. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, so now we're gonna move on, but we're gonna do section 1 and 2 together, nice and slow. Here we go, from the very top. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Section 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, step, 5 and 6, and cha-cha step. Yes? All right. So now we're going to move on to the last section, section 3. Now the same thing, right now your back is facing me. I'm going to face this way just so you can see me real quick. You're doing the same cha-cha step, right, tap, right. But now you're going to do it with your left leg starting. Left, tap, right, left, right, left. Okay? If I was facing this way, actually I'll do it from the side so you can see me. I'm going to step with that left leg forward again. Left, tap, left, and I go left, right, left. Yeah. So that's going to go from here. We do the first cha-cha step with the right leg. Right, tap, right, left, right. Then we go left, right, left. We're going to turn to our left, right, left. Let's do just that cha-cha step. From the right leg first. 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good, one more time. 5, 6. Let me do it facing this way so you can follow me on the side here, okay? Step with our right leg first. 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, ba, ba, ba. Left, right, ba, ba, ba. Yeah? Okay. So after we finish this step here, left, tap, boom, boom, boom. The last part, you're going to take your right leg, you're going to kick it up, kick, and then you're going to land. 6, 7, clap. Okay? And when I kick out there, I'm just kicking up, a little scoop, and I just dip down to my hips, and clap, all right? That's like the nice groove part there, okay? So we said one more time, section 3. We finish from here. Right, left, right, cha-cha step. Left, right, ha, ba, 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 kick, land. 6, 7, 8. And now you're facing your new wall, and then the dance repeats itself. Okay? So let's do everything from section 1, 2, and 3 all together nice and slow, and then we'll try it a couple times all together. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, section 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, ball change, step 5, 6, step 7, 8. Good. Section 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, step left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick, 1, 6, 7, clap, 8. Yes. So this right here is starting on that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, kick, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it straight through to see how we feel with it, and then we'll try it with this new wall after, just to feel it out, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, straight through, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and rock it out, ball change. Boom. Step, out. Hit, step, cha-cha step, and ba, 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 chep, stop, chop, top, top, ka, kick, boom. Hey, continue over here. Ball change, step, boom, ka, step, hit, and a cha-cha-cha, step, hit, and a cha-cha-cha, and ooh, ka. Now you're facing the wall, all right? So I hope that makes sense to you guys, and I hope that you get to just vibe out with this and have a good time, because it's fun. Summer's coming, so hopefully we all hit this dance together. Anyways, peace out till next time, and YouTube thinks you might like this video next, but don't forget to try out the music over here, all right? Peace out, y'all.